Tajahao, ni hao. Welcome back to Bog's Kitchenette's channel. In today's video, we're going to cook stir-fried cabbage. Pinaka-simple po na menu ng Chinese. So, let's go. So, ito po, tapos ko ito pong hugasan. We're going to slice it. So, ganito lang siya. So, let's keep it. So, we're going to put it here. And we're going to add this. We're going to wash it. So we're going to slice this just like this, and this one is okay, so we're going to put it there. And we're going to this one. So, ito na po yung gagawin natin. And we need also one egg. And then we're going to beat it, the egg. Set aside, and we're ready to cook. Let's go. So we're going to heat the pan. So we need also this soy sauce, oyster sauce, and black vinegar. We need also a little bit of salt, white pepper, and a little bit of sugar. So we're going to put here all our ingredients. So we're going to put oil. Then we add a cabbage. And we're going to stir fry. So we're going to cook the egg. We're going to add this one. Instead of cooking this one first, you need to, because I forgot to the egg, so just like this, but just quick. So we're going to add, and I'm going to put it back here, and I'm going to add a little bit of oyster sauce. Not too much, so just like that. Add some 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, a little bit of salt, so a little bit of sugar to balance the taste, not too much, and that's it. We're going to add an egg. And we're going to add a little bit of vinegar, black vinegar. Not too much, just a little bit. And go stir fry and mix it up until 1 minute. And then it's done. And here you go. Thank you for watching. Bye.